If you're looking for the best drone in 2026, whether you're a beginner, content creator, or professional aerial photographer, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best drones of 2026, covering performance, camera quality, flight time, range, smart features, and overall value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3. Taking the number 1 spot is the DJI Mavic 3, a true professional-grade drone. The Mavic 3 is built for professionals. The 4/3 CMOS sensor delivers outstanding dynamic range and low light performance. The 5.1K video quality is cinematic and production-ready. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing makes it one of the safest drones to fly. The 15 km transmission ensures stable long-range video feed. This is not just a drone, it's a professional aerial filmmaking machine. 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, 5.1K video recording, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, 46 minutes flight time, 15 km video transmission, advanced return to home, FAA Remote ID compliant. Pros: industry-leading camera quality, advanced obstacle avoidance, excellent transmission range, reliable premium build quality. If you want the absolute best drone of 2026 for professional photography and videography, the DJI Mavic 3 is the clear winner. Number 2. Bwine F7 Mini. The Bwine F7 Mini is a lightweight but powerful drone packed with advanced features. Weighing under 249 grams means no FAA registration in many regions. Despite being lightweight, it delivers impressive stability with a 3-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilization. The 96-minute total flight time makes it one of the longest flying drones in its class. The 6 km transmission range is also exceptional for this size. 4K video and 8K photo, 3-axis gimbal with EIS, 96 minutes flight time, 249 grams FAA-exempt, 6 km transmission, AI GPS smart modes. Pros: under 249 grams, FAA-exempt, extremely long flight time, strong transmission range, advanced smart flight modes. Best lightweight drone for beginners and travelers who want serious performance without heavy regulations. Number 3. Ruko F11PRO 2. The Ruko F11PRO 2 steps into the mid-range category with stronger specs and longer flight time. The 3-axis gimbal significantly improves video stability compared to entry-level drones. The dual battery setup, giving up to 70 minutes total flight time, is impressive. It's a great option for travelers and YouTubers who need more airtime without jumping into ultra-premium ficing. 6K camera, 3-axis gimbal, 70 minutes total flight time, 2 batteries, long-range transmission, auto return, beginner mode. Pros: excellent flight time, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, beginner-friendly mode, strong GPS performance. One of the best mid-range drones for extended flying and stabilized footage. Number 4. OBEST 5G GPS drone. The OBEST 5G GPS drone targets beginners who want a foldable drone with a built-in display option. The built-in HD screen controller makes it convenient since you don't always need your phone. Brushless motors provide better durability and smoother flight compared to brushed motors. This is a beginner-friendly drone that balances performance and convenience. 4K camera, 4.5-inch HD screen controller, brushless motors, auto return, follow me mode, foldable design. Pros: built-in display controller, brushless motors, GPS return to home, foldable and portable. A convenient all-in-one beginner drone with good everyday flying capability. Number 5. Contixo F28A Premium Drone. The Contixo F28A is a solid entry-level GPS drone designed for beginners and casual flyers. This drone is ideal for beginners who want stabilized 4K footage without spending a fortune. The 2-axis gimbal helps reduce shake, and GPS features like Follow Me and Auto Return add safety and convenience. While it's not designed for cinematic professional work, it performs very well for recreational flying, travel videos, and learning the basics. 4K camera, 2-axis gimbal, 23 minutes flight time, 110-degree wide-angle lens, 1,000-meter control range, GPS with Follow Me and Auto Return. Pros: affordable price, GPS stability, easy for beginners, good image quality for the price, a great starter drone with smart features and reliable performance for casual users. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best drones of 2026. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first drone, a traveler wanting something lightweight, or a professional creator aiming for cinematic footage, there's a perfect option for you on this list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews and top 5 buying guides. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.